Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm just waiting for Emily. She's getting dog. I'm gonna take her on a walk. Not gonna be a fun one, but at least it's a video. She shouldn't be too long now. She's just getting dog, and then we're gonna drive to Phoenix and walk the dog. Should be fun. He's here, look. Who's this? Who's this? Ah! What?
No, you literally started it, and then he was like, Rio, yeah, let's find him with the dog, and then he's like, what was that?
But everyone loves dogs. I'll be honest, I couldn't think of what to say for the first like 10 minutes. But we're at Phoenix, parked right over Hyundai, right down there.
Hashtag 7 subscribers.
Hashtag shoot him off. There's everyone with the dogs, literally every fucker's walking the dogs. And Rio's just pulling Emily everywhere. What it is? Like, Emily can't handle it. I mean, there's literally a dog coming towards us now. He's now seeing the dog, and could be a bit of fun. He might have a back. Maybe not. Hopefully not. Be a bit weird.
Look at the little fine.
Like, this is a very bad pond, but I mean, it's only a little area anyways. It's not going to be a great pond. As you can see, Rio's dragging Emily in the water. Anyways, I don't know what we're going to do. Rio's kind of watching that dog.
Rio literally sees one dog and then
he's like, I want to play.
He's literally like, target found.
I found my next opponent, let's go.
It's just like, he wants to play, but the dog's just like...
Oh, the dog's like, fuck off, mate. Oh, I'm going to bleep that out, aren't I?
He's just like...
If I didn't know why. If it were the other way around, I would have got it. I didn't get that on camera, but Emily literally skidded about 6 inches across the muck because Rio ragged her forward. Oh, if you had fell, that would have been so much funnier.
This is your jacket.
She really thinks I'm bothered about that jacket. I mean, have you seen it? I don't even wear it.
Honestly, if you caught that on camera and me falling...
Oh, it would have gone viral. Oh, it would have gone viral. It would have gone viral. That's why I'm gutted that I didn't get it, you know. Literally getting overpowered by that dog. I mean, I've literally just cleaned my car today. And it's just all going to get dirty. Are you happy? Our masterpiece of a car cleaning is now going to get ruined. Because you wanted to fetch the dog for a walk to the muckiest place ever. Look at that face. I always know how to wind you up.
Yeah, but you said that you wanted to do everything, but it's a Sunday, so everything's bonus.
I was trying to do some captures of gameplay, but we looked up that you could do like an hour's worth of captures, but mine won't let us, and it only let us do 5 minutes. But I did something that it said on internet to do, and it kind of deleted all my games. And still, I would have been happy if it deleted all my games, but then let me record an hour's gameplay.
I just realised that I was struggling to walk up, so he literally came back and licked me. He was like, come on, you can do it.
If it had let me then do an hour's gameplay capture, I would have been happy. I wouldn't have been bothered. I would have downloaded Fortnite again and uploaded video. But it still let me do 5 minutes. The Xbox said something about having to format it for the external hard drive to be able to capture it for an hour. But when I formatted the external hard drive, it kind of deleted every game that was even on my external hard drive. And this one laughed while I was dying inside. And of course I was that angry
You were like, oh, if I look at this Xbox one more time, I'm going to punch it.
I couldn't even look at my Xbox. I completely turned it off and just sat really, really, really not happy. So I was like, right, let's do something. Looking at things to do.
What do you want to do after this? Because it's not going to be that late.
I don't know. We'll think of something. I couldn't even look at the Xbox, so we were looking at things to do around us, but because it's a Sunday, everything's closed.
Everything's not open or it's closed early.
Yeah.
You've got like
So
what time is it now?
it is now 6:15.
Oh god.
So now Emily was just like, oh, why don't we just take dog for a walk? Because
Yeah, because he likes going on walks with you for some reason.
he really loves walks. Like,
When I took him on a walk with myself, he didn't like it.
he's not a normal dog.
He wouldn't really walk with me that much, even though he's seen me more than you.
He's not a normal dog. Why, he likes walking with me?
Yeah, can you remember when we both took him out? I held the lead and he wouldn't walk that fast.
Oh yeah.
And you held it and he was walking fine.
They were walking on it, yeah. I just have that effect with dogs. I love dogs. Oh mate, you know, if Rio were our dog, I'd love it. He's a sick dog. I mean, he's literally just wandering away.
To be honest, when he came off the lead, I thought it was going to be like one of those dogs.
What, just ran off into fucking distance?
Yeah, he was just like, freedom!
Just like, bye!
just like,
He's like, what you talking about? He's like, you talking about me? He's actually going to do it now. He's like, yeah, it is. Like, right, I'm running off. Could you imagine? You know, if he starts just running off now. I don't know what it is, but starting the video seems to be harder than when you're actually going through the video. So, yeah. It's harder to start the video than it is to actually...
I wish we found a stick so that we could throw it.
Well, you might be able to look. We might be able to find one.
Yeah, but there's no sticks really.
Emily, we're pretty much in the middle of a woods.
I thought you were about to turn the camera to all out there and just like, Emily, have you seen how many trees there are?
We can't find a stick anywhere. No, it's going to be impossible to...
There's no trees around.
It's going to be impossible to find a stick, even though there's a ton of wood around us. That's all it is, Emily. We'll go into the trees and look for a stick. Now the problem is Rio will follow.
Oh,
he found a little stick
and then he
put it back down. It's only a little stick though, so it's not really a big deal.
I know, but if they choose a stick, it's a big deal.
What?
If they choose a stick, it's a big deal. It's their stick.
It's their stick. They claim that stick. Yeah.
I forgot about that.
We seem to forget about everything until we're halfway through. I don't know why, but it's when we're halfway through we actually think about what we need. This dog's crazy. He hears the slightest noise. I can't explain what Emily's doing. She's trying to force Rio into running. See, now that is sick behind me. Isn't that like... Oh, that looks pretty cool on camera.
Turn that... Oh wait, no, because there's trees covering it.
Oh, that is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it, but... There's the moon! Woo! Full moon.
Full moon.
Full moon at 10 to 6. Sick.
Me and my dad used to walk, you know.
There was one time, I don't know when it was right late, and I walked right to the top of it, and I sat on like a bench.
Yeah.
It was a right nice view. Because it was like sunset as well, so it was just... Oh, I'm really bad at that stuff. I'm really bad at editing.
You know what we should do after this?
That's why she's doing it.
What I was just saying is, you know what we should do after this?
Rio?
You take the video and edit it. I take the video and edit it.
See who does it better.
Yeah.
Mm.
We both know that I'll do better.
Oh yeah. You'll do a better edit, but...
It'll still be wank. But it'll be better than yours. Because you'll literally cut out...
I'll cut out all the most important parts.
You'll be talking and it'll come out and you're like, so hi guys!
I can't edit it on my phone though. I'm really bad at that stuff. You know, because my fingers are that big. when I try and
I
pull
like them big.
No, but when I try...
I like them chunky.
Shut up. When I like pull it along, I can't stop it on right time to like, yeah. So it always goes like 1 or 2 seconds in front and it's disgusting. You know, constant need. Constant need.
And this is constant need.
Every day. I'm not joking, every day she...
Do you not want me to hug you now? Is that it? First fight on YouTube. No, we
2 videos in and we're already arguing. No, but every...
Are you arguing? Do you want to see an argument?
Every day you literally... I don't know, you need about 100 hugs a day.
No, 200.
Just make yourself seem more needy.
Well, would you rather be needy or go out
Being
and...
slutty.
Yeah.
Oh, I'd rather be needy. 100%.
Exactly.
Rio!
Let me touch your mom.
Literally, Emily tried just stroking him and he's like, nope. Nope. Get away. Let's go.
Yeah, why is it all red in grass?
I don't know, why is it orange?
I don't know, it looks like
The-
it just died.
I mean, look, the rocks. Some are normal rocks, like these ones, but then them ones are orange.
Have you seen how green it is?
That is really green water. Like,
I don't understand.
don't know if you can see that on camera, but the water is really green. And Rio, where are you going? He keeps running into it, getting even dirtier every time.
We should have bought a drink. I drink for the car.
I drink some kaya. I did say to myself I'm not going to have any pop or Mackies until I've lost weight.
Xbox, and I was like, give me a Pepsi.
Until I've lost weight, but that happened with the Xbox. Lost all my footage, all my games, and I was a bit depressed. So I kind of got a Pepsi. As you can see, this is what I deal with every day. I'm not joking. If this channel were going to take off, it's because she's a weirdo. It's not. I'm boring, so.
Every time you bit.
Ooh, tornado!
Hiya!
Emily, we've lost dog. He's literally sat right there
Oh, here I'm gonna pee.
in the
You
tree.
video him pee and stuff.
Oh no! I mean, I kind of look stupid with it, but it's cold. Protecting ears. Leaning like a gangster. That's definitely a good video. Rio don't have a clue what he's doing.
What's he doing?
I don't know. It's not.
Very cool, very nice. I like it.
It's not the worst view, but
It's not the best.
it's not the best, but it's not the worst.
I think that.
I mean, I'll take you up and show you as much as I can. So I can't really.
2 hours later, I'm halfway up, guys, and I think I'm done.
10 hours later, I
I
can't
made
breathe.
No. And I'll tell you later, I made it, and I'm hungry.
I think we can make it.
Can you make it? I think I can make it.
2,000 years later, I can feel the bench. Real.
1,000 years later, I am such
Oh, but look at that view.
That is a good view. It's better for a sunset there.
And when sunset is there, it's so nice, you know. So nice.
What, so you walked here on yourself and just like, yeah, I'll sit here for a bit.
Yeah, before I could drive. I literally just walked all the way up, because I used to live down here, didn't I? I used to live at Fernska. So I just walked up here, sat on this bench, like, this is the bench I'm on about. But look, imagine, you can't really see it that well, but that, when there's a sunset right there, gorgeous. I mean, it's not the best, but like I said, it's not the worst. So, it's pretty nice. She's had enough. Rio's got a bit thirsty and he's drinking puddle water. But, I'm going to leave it here. Like, subscribe, and I'll make another video soon. Bye!